This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Whobrey. Don't miss this beautiful well-maintained home on a corner lot with a modern farmhouse feel in wonderful Villages of Riverwood. This home features a split floor plan with 2 beds down, 2 up, plus a bonus room. The primary bedroom features an elegant ensuite with his and her closets. Enjoy the gourmet open-concept kitchen with plenty of counter space and bar-top seating. You'll love the prime location and proximity to town, not to mention low Fayette County taxes and no HOA. Call now. For more information, review the details below.